We are an automated and intelligent farming machinery and equipment factory from near Zhengzhou, Hunan Province, mainland China, aiming to provide comprehensive automated and intelligent equipments and technical services for livestock and poultry farmers all over the world, and to contribute to the development of modern livestock and poultry farming. If you have a plan to establish an automated and intelligent livestock and poultry farm in your country, please contact us. Our company will design the best construction and investment program of automated breeding equipment for you free of charge according to your farm site and breeding quantity. Laying hen cages. We offer a wide range of practical, economical, and environmentally friendly solutions to meet the needs of the future. Our products can help you to achieve higher output and success. Centralized management saves energy and resources, makes the best use of building space, and reduces the cost of investment per chicken in terms of space and building. We manufacture the following automatic chicken cage equipment: intelligent laying hen equipment, intelligent laminated breeder equipment, intelligent layer broiler equipment, intelligent layer brooder equipment, intelligent laminated pigeon cages, intelligent laying duck equipment. This equipment has the following advantages: frame structure, more pivot points, the whole cage system without welding, solid structure, 275G/M2 zinc-aluminum-magnesium plate and alloy wire ensure the cage body with long service life and corrosion resistance, scientific trough structure, to avoid feeding dead ends and loss of lifting materials, replaceable bottom net, increasing the convenience of maintenance, high efficiency. Cage net system maintenance. 9 taut steel wires are added under the bottom net to ensure that the bottom net will not be deformed and form egg nests. The slope is designed in 8 degrees to protect the eggs from rolling down to the egg belt in a very safe environment. The success or failure of poultry farming not only depends on the investment of poultry house hardware, but also with the increase of the scale of single house rearing. The requirements of environmental control and ventilation also become extremely important, which is related to the growth of each chicken production potential. Increase the amount of ventilation in the house to provide chickens with sufficient oxygen. The amount of oxygen directly affects the growth of the chickens. Creating conditions for air circulation not only brings fresh oxygen to each hen, but also takes poor air outside. The removal of harmful gases regulates the growth of the hens. The elimination of harmful gases, regulating the humidity in the chicken house, discharging excess water on the poultry house subarea design, subarea to add. Adding different sensing probes to monitor the house. If you need to know other related issues of automated breeding equipment, please call us for free information. Consulting phone 00864007567068, 00861391-784-9689. WhatsApp can be the same number to add.